Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language of your Netflix application. So let's get started right away. First of all, just go ahead and open up your Netflix application. If you're opening it up for the first time, you might be asked to log into your account. Once you are logged into your account, this is what you will see. Now just go ahead and click on the account icon at the top right corner and this will show you all of the profiles. Now just tap on Manage Profiles button and you will be able to see the various profiles that are associated with your Netflix account. Just tap on the Edit button on the profile for which you want to change the language. From there you can simply tap on Display Language and this will show you all of the languages that are available with Netflix. Just scroll down and select your desired language, and once you go back from this menu, you will be told to restart your application. So just tap on the Restart App button and this will restart the Netflix application. And now you can see that the language has been changed. You can follow the same process to change your language back to default if you wish to do so. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.